Just 2 people are required to assemble the LANCO FZ tents. The roof of the tent should already be mounted on the frame before assembly. Place the tent legs slightly apart. Pull the tent apart as far as possible by pushing up the lattice. Push the corner sections up so that the catches lock into place. Pull down the roof fabric over the corner sections. Now extend the 2 supporting legs on the one side of the tent until each snaps into its first hole. Withdraw the first 2 legs from the first holes and snap them into the holes for the same height. The tent flaps are affixed to the connecting pieces at the centre of each side. The folding tent can be anchored with T-pegs or weights to the ground. Affix the side walls with Velcro, the top edge to the roof and the sides to the supporting legs. Affix another side wall, first to the roof and then at the sides to the first wall. A huge range of special fittings is available for LANCO folding tents, such as lighting or infrared heating, as well as a number of different side walls.